Hi guys, hope you're well. It's Matt Feast. I thought I'd quickly do a video, and this is what I feel at the moment. I've been in the industry, trading and internet marketing for, well, since 2014. It was I did struggle for the first 2 years, I must admit, and the best years I really had was 2016 till 2024. Brilliant years. Where it's obviously when Bitcoin went up, because my niche is in cryptocurrency and trading. It's been very good, but in the last 2 years it's been pretty bad. You know, it's gone up and down. I think ever since the crypto market's gone into gone public, you know, with Wall Street, that's when the problem started. You know, that's my belief anyway. Yeah, that's how I feel. But it's been hard. Bitcoin was 126,000 and it dumped right down to 65,000. Pretty bad, but I'm still here. I have built a wealth within the industry. Everything I've got now, a house, car, bike, everything I've got, I have no debts. So I'm financially free. So that's one good thing. But I see a lot of crypto companies, businesses out there, you know, they're promising 1 to 2 or 3% a day. You know, you go into these businesses and platforms, they're great for the first 2 or 3 months or a year. Yeah, we're all making money, but really what happens is there's problems and issues, and before you know it, they scam out. You know, they just use your money to make their money, and then before you know it, they've gone, or they find some excuses not to pay you. You know, it's terrible. It's absolutely terrible, because a lot of newbies are losing a hell of a lot of money. You know, only the people who get in first make the money, really, to be honest with you. Yeah. I've seen this so many times. It's not getting better, it's getting worse. You know, it really is. I think it is. But my advice to anybody who wants to learn cryptocurrency or Forex or whatever is learn a skill. Learn a skill. You know, get a mentor, go to YouTube. You know, how I learned is I learned from YouTube, and I had a mentor. You know, it's taken me a few years to get here, but you live and learn, and it's the best decision I've ever made in my life, you know, because at the end of the day, no one can take your skill away. No one, you know. But when you send your cryptocurrency to a third party crypto business, you know, they say, what's that saying? Not your crypto, not your keys, or whatever. Yeah? It was very true, because at the end of the day, you don't own your crypto, they do. You know, they can do anything they like with it, you know, without your say-so, whether you like it or not, you know. So I come to a conclusion really now is probably to stay out of these third-party businesses, because they do scam out. You know, even they're great. Yeah, they're brilliant. Yeah, 2 years, 3 years, making a lot of money. Eventually, they will go. They're not sustainable. They're really not. You know, and also something else happens is the SEC might get involved, or they might have problems with their, you know, their servers, or they might have problems paying out, or their payment gateways. I've heard it all before. You know, it's all bullshit. Sorry about the French. It's all bullshit. You know, so I really do believe if you want to get away from your 9-to-5 job, learn a skill. It could be cryptocurrency, it could be Forex, it could be traffic generation, it could be digital products. It's a skill, you know. Stick to that, you know. But these third-party crypto businesses, you know, I've had lots and lots of them, and they've scammed. You know, luckily I've made more money than I lost, but, you know, it's not good, you know. But my advice to you guys, learn a skill, and before you know it, you'll start making 5 figures, 6 figures a year, or probably more, you know. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And leave a comment below if you agree with me. And please subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up and a like, and also a comment in the box below. All right guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching the video, really appreciate it.